Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to pay a traffic ticket online in South Carolina. Go to the official website of the South Carolina Judicial Department. The URL is usually something like scourts.org. Look for a section on the website that offers online services related to traffic tickets or citations. This section may be labeled as traffic ticket payment, pay your ticket online, or something similar. You will likely need to enter specific information related to your ticket. This may include your ticket number, case number, or your name and date of birth. Once you enter the required information, review the details to ensure they are correct. Double-check the ticket number and other relevant information. Choose your preferred payment method. Most online systems accept credit or debit cards or electronic checks. Enter your payment information securely. After entering your payment details, submit the payment. You may receive a confirmation screen or email indicating that your payment was successful. It is a good idea to print or save a receipt of your payments for your records. This receipt will serve as proof that you have paid the traffic ticket. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.